Last Tuesday, we talked about continuation to the upside to test 49. The immediate target could be around 49 to test the overbought of the channel. On Tuesday, market keep pushing up a little bit, and also Wednesday still inch up a bit. On Friday, the last day of the trading day in 2023, last year, there is some attempt to go down, but we see that it gets bought up straight. There's a demand tail, and that's the immediate support level. 4790 is the first level of the support. This whole trading range is providing support as well. 4750 all the way to about 4790. That's some form of the support level. But so far, we need to see whether there will be attempt to go down. Like today is still in progress, but the market is yet to open. So it could get bought up as well, because so far in terms of the volume is still relatively low as expected, because that's the end of the year, especially the last two trading days, last 2-3 days, or even 4 days. This is typical near the end of the year. That's a quiet week after Christmas all the way into the new year. Low liquidity in terms of the market, definitely overbought. We talk about this many times, but again, overbought doesn't mean that it need to come down or have an immediate reversal. This is still an upswing, going up, consolidation, going up. This is the first change of character bar, by far the largest bearish spread out from this uptrend. That suggests first red flag to watch out, because this is near the overbought, and also that's a stretch of the markets, and that profit taking activity is common. It's healthy if it happens and consolidate for a while rather than keep going up, because this is not sustainable. Although still try to go up and attempt to break out, but immediately there's some profit taking activity again, and we could still see some final push into the overbought as well, because this momentum is so strong that it will take a process to stop the trend rather than just one day reversal. Previously, we already see this kind of the reversal bar. This is a change of character bar with localized increase of the supply, but it did not stop the trend immediately, because the momentum behind this uptrend since November is very strong. This is very bullish type of the momentum, and it will take process like a localized stopping formation similar to this. It could look something like this localized stopping process in order to stop the whole trend and then come to a pullback or correction. It could do something like this, pullback and then go up, pullback. Eventually, we'll have a localized distribution and then back to the middle part of the range, or even to test a gap right here, which could coincide with the middle part of the range as well, because this is a more meaningful support level in terms of the channel or in terms of the horizontal support level. This is definitely uptrend, but overbought, and swing is still up. But in terms of the immediate direction, there is stopping process ongoing. First is this change of character bar, but still it's attempt to go up. I suspect that it could still do something like this, forming a range before we see a meaningful pullback, because it would take a process rather than a one bar reversal to stop this whole trend. All looks good. We need to manage the existing position carefully, lock in the profits, sell into strength. And if it reverse and violate the trend, then they will take you out safely. If there's still decent setup with decent reward to risk ratio, then feel free to try some small position and then along the way just scale in. So far, S&P is still up in terms of the swing, but in terms of the immediate direction, it could be the sideways movement. This is a change character. So you could do like this upsloping type of the range.
If you want to catch my latest videos, click on the subscribe button and the bell right now so that you get
instant notification once I upload my latest video. If you want to check out my online courses, go to tradeprecise.com to find out how to profit consistently from any market without using complex indicator or understanding any financial statement, no matter you are trading or investing.